Welcome, Achievers, to mysciences.com. This is Mr. Aguirre with another online lab. Today's lab comes to us from Porterville High School in Porterville, California, and this is outstanding period number 6. California Standard 1G, Investigation and Experimentation. Students will know and understand the limitations and usefulness of models and volcanoes. There are two types of volcanoes: shield volcano, like in the Hawaiian Islands, and stratocomposite volcanoes. For this experiment, the students created the models of volcanoes, stratocomposite volcanoes, which are fed by magma that has a lot of silica, so they're very eruptive, like Mount St. Helens, and the Ring of Fire. The students create a base, and in this case they used Reese's Puffs, and then they put paper mache, and also it looks like plaster of Paris, and it has to be big enough so that you're able to put the volcano inside of a 2-liter Diet Coke bottle. In this case we're using Diet Shasta to see if it will give us a nice big eruption. And this particular volcano was made by another student. We're going to be putting Mentos into a beaker and then putting that into the soda to simulate an eruption. So without any further ado,